In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Greek letters in Google Sheets. This is a quick and reliable way to add symbols like alpha, beta, or gamma right into your spreadsheet without needing special add-ons. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you're ready to make the change where it matters. Once your sheet is open, click the exact cell where you want the Greek letter to appear. If you plan to place the symbol on its own, a single click selects the cell. If you want the symbol alongside existing text, double-click the cell to enter edit mode so the character lands exactly where you want it. Now, let's grab the symbol. Open Google Search in a new tab and type the name of the Greek letter followed by the word symbol. For example, type alpha symbol, beta symbol, or theta symbol. If you need a specific form, include uppercase or lowercase in your search, like uppercase omega symbol. In most cases, you'll see the character displayed prominently in the results, and you can also find it on trusted reference pages. Carefully select just the Greek character itself. Make sure you're copying the actual text character, not an image. It should highlight like normal text. Use your usual copy command to copy it to your clipboard. Switch back to your Google Sheets tab and paste the character into the cell you selected earlier. If you're inserting it into existing text, place your cursor in the right spot inside the cell and then paste. You should see the symbol appear immediately. If it doesn't look quite right, click the cell once to confirm the paste, or double-check that you copied the text character and not a picture. With the symbol in place, fine-tune the size and style so it matches your sheet. You can increase the font size, apply bold or italic, change the font color, and adjust alignment to center it within the cell. Most standard fonts like Arial handle Greek letters cleanly, but if a character looks off, try a different font. You can also resize the column or row to give the symbol more space and turn on text wrapping if you're mixing symbols with longer text. For consistent formatting across multiple cells, use the Paint Format tool to quickly copy the style from one cell to another. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, pick your cell, search for the Greek character you need, copy it, paste it into your spreadsheet, and format it to fit your design. Repeat the same process for any other Greek letters you want to include.